Hello dear students, how are you? Perhaps you are all well by the mercy of Almighty Allah. Okay, today I am going to show you a fantastic picture of prepositions. Perhaps you don't know before this. Okay, naturally this class is very important for you because all the students should know well preposition. In our country, most of the students do not know the use of preposition very well, I think. So for this reason, they cut a bad figure in the examination. So dear students, let us see a complete picture of prepositions. As a teacher, I have seen that most of the students of our country, after passing the HSC examination, don't secure good marks in any admission test. So for this reason, preposition is not only important for the students of HSC examinations, but also for the students of all classes. After passing the examination, after passing the HSC examination, the students have to face the dangerous admission test. So for this reason, learning preposition has great importance in the student life. So dear students, no more talking. Now let us see what I am going to show you. Okay, please follow me. The very title shows that I am going to show you the preposition together. Okay. At first comes simple prepositions. Dear students, I discussed in my previous class what is simple preposition. Simple preposition has only one word. That is to say that the preposition which has only one word. In other words, one word preposition is called simple preposition. Okay. Now let us see the list of simple prepositions with their Bengali meaning. Okay. Number 1, please follow me. About, সম্পর্কে, সম্বন্ধে. Most of you have learned this meaning. Dear students, you have to memorize. You have to grasp the meaning of this preposition very well. Okay. Number 2, above. Bengali meaning, upore. Across, arai. Epar theke, opar. Okay. Number 4, after. Bengali meaning, pore. Number 5, against. Against. Here, most of the students pronounce it against. In our country, most of the people, not only most of the students, but also the general people who knows a little English, they pronounce it against. But the correct pronunciation is against. Okay? Bengali meaning, biruddhe. Okay, number 6, along. Number 6, along. Bengali meaning, borabor. Number 7, alongside. Bengali meaning, songe or pashapashi. Okay, dear students, I think this is a new preposition to you. Amid, moddhe. Amidst, moddhe. About. This is a new preposition. I think all of you don't know this preposition. This is a new kind of preposition, I think. About. Jahajer upore, oblique, moddhe. Okay, now let us see number 11. Among, moddhe. Amongst, moddhe. Number 13, around, charpashe. Number 14, as, hichebe. This is also new preposition, I think, new type of preposition of which you don't know. Okay. Number 15, astride. Bengali meaning ubhaydike. I think this is also new type of preposition to you because you only know the common prepositions. Okay. Number 16, at, te, proti. This kind of meaning it gives. Number 17, atop, upore. This is also a new type of preposition, I think. Most of you do not know this preposition before. Okay. Today you will know the meaning of this preposition. Atop means upore. Bar. This is also new type of preposition to you, I think, because in our country most of the students know only the common preposition. So this is a new type of preposition. Okay, barring, another new type of preposition, I think. Bar means sara, without. Barring means na hole, na ghotle. Okay, you have to know the use of this kind of preposition. Next number 20. Before, age purbe. This is a very common preposition, I think. You know it from the very early class, in class 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is a very common preposition. Behind. This is also a very common preposition, I think. Pisone, Bengal meaning. Okay. Next comes 22. Below. Below. Bengali meaning niche. Another preposition is number 23. Beneath, meaning niche. Besides, Bengali meaning pashe. Besides, esarao. Beside this, we say that I have two more pens beside this pen. Okay. Between, duer moddhe. We know that when anything happens between two persons, we use between. Okay, I will show you next in my next class the uses of different type of preposition. Okay, beyond, by, but. This is the special preposition. But, sara, betito, by, dara, diye. This is a very common preposition. Okay. Number 13. Concerning. Concerning. I think this is a new preposition to you. Concerning means ব্যাপারে. Concerning means ব্যাপারে, Bengali meaning. Okay. This is a new type of preposition. Considering, বিবেচনা. This is also a new type of preposition to you. But there is a great uses of this preposition. Okay. Next number 32. Despite, সত্ত্বেও. Down, দিকে নিচে. During, মধ্যে, কালে. Okay, dear students, you see that I have arranged the preposition alphabetically. Okay, this is the ending of the first part. I am again writing the rest of the preposition. Okay, dear students, we are going to next number 35. Okay, 35. Except means sara, betito. Okay, this is a very common preposition to you, I think. Accepting. This is a different type of preposition. It also denotes the Bengali meaning sara, betito. Okay. Next comes 37. Excluding. Excluding means বাদ দিয়ে. Number 38. Following. অনুযায়ী, অনুসারে, পরে. Okay, this is a very common preposition, I think. Number 39. For, জন্য, কারণে. This is a very common preposition. All of you know it very well. Another preposition is from. Bengali meaning হইতে. Another preposition 41. In, মধ্যে, ভিতরে. Inside. It also means মধ্যে, ভিতরে. Into. It also gives the meaning of মধ্যে, ভিতরে. 44. Including. That is, it means সহ, সহকারে. Okay? Dear students, now I am going to 45 number. Like, মতো. Like means মতো, যেরূপ, etc. Number 46. Minus. That is, it is very common to you, plus, minus. This is a preposition, I think. Minus means biyoge, that is biyog kore. Another preposition is very common to you, near, nikote. Another meaning is kasakasi. Okay? 48. Not withstanding. That is, it gives the meaning of despite. It gives the meaning of despite. Not withstanding means সত্ত্বেও, nevertheless. Okay. Another common preposition is of. Bengali meaning raw. A. This is very common to you. Of, hote, hoite. This is it is also very common to you, I think. Okay, next number 51. On. This is a very common preposition to you. On means upore. Okay. Onto. I think this is a uncommon preposition to many of you, I think. It also gives the meaning upore. This is the same type of preposition, on and onto, but the usage is different. Okay. In my next class, I will show you the different type of preposition. That is the difference of different preposition. Okay. I hope that you will follow my classes. Okay. 53. Opposite. Biporit dike. It is also one kind of preposition. Out. This is a very common preposition to you, I think. Outside. This is also very common preposition. Okay. Next comes 56. Over. It means upore. 57. Fast. Otikrom kore. Okay. It is also one kind of preposition, I think. 58. Pending. Porjonto. That is, it gives the meaning of till. Okay. 59. Par. Poti. Prottekbar. Okay. Dear students, I am going to number 60. Class. Jogi. Okay. It is very common to you, I think. Regarding. Bepari. Okay. The Bengali meaning of regarding is Bepari. Another common preposition is to you. Round. The earth moves round the sun. Okay. This is very common to you, I think. Perhaps you know it from your very early years. Round. Round, around. This is a common type of preposition. Okay. Save. This is a very uncommon preposition to you, I think. It gives the meaning of without, sara, betito. Okay. Next preposition is since. That means hote, theke. Hote, theke. And another preposition is then. Se, saite. Okay, dear students, I am writing the more preposition. Okay, now we are going to number 66. Through. Madhya diye, borabor. Okay, this is a very common preposition to you. Next number 60, 67. Throughout. Bevia. Bepi. Okay. Dear students, we sometimes we use this word throughout the world, throughout the country. Okay. This is a very common to you. 68. Till. Porjonto. Okay. 69. Times. Gunon. I think this is a very new type of preposition to you. Okay. Another preposition 70. To. Decay. This is a very common preposition to you. Towards, decay. This is also common to you, I think. Next number 72. Under. Niche. Underneath. It also means niche. But there are differences between under and underneath. And in my next class, you will see the differences between two similar prepositions. Okay? Next number 74. Unlike. Biporit. That is, he is unlike his father. Okay. This is common, I think. Next number 75. Until. It gives two meaning. Porjonto, na porjonto. Okay. Dear students, we are going to 78. Up. It means upore. This is a very common to you. Another number upon. It is also very common to you, I think. Number 80. Versus. Versus. Okay, sometimes we watch the cricket match between India versus Pakistan, India versus Bangladesh. Okay, here we use this preposition versus, bonam. Okay, next number bhaya, Bengali meaning hoye madhyome. This is also very common to you. Okay, 82 with, sathe, songe. This is also common, I think. Within, moddhe, bhitore. Okay. Next number, without, sara, betito. And 85 number is oath, joggo, upojukto. Okay, dear students, this is the list of simple preposition. Okay, in my next class, I will give you another list of preposition, that is the phrase preposition. I think you will enjoy my next class. You will see my next class. Okay, today I am going to stop my discussion, and thank you very much. I wish you all the best. Assalamu alaikum.